this is Avanti,
Hi, this is Priyanka.
and welcome to Over
Over
Coffee or
coffee or
Wine.
wine. From Ravi Shastri's Bollywood connection with Amrita Singh to another Bollywood connection, which is KL Rahul and Athiya, who have just become parents. So, congratulations to them.
Yes.
They have a baby girl and they started dating, I think, in 2019. And they met through
Okay.
common friends and social circles. And they got dating. And then, of course, the famous wedding where Sunil Shetty was. It's been going well for them. It's sweet to see their
Yeah.
posts and all.
It's nice to see that they're settled and everything, but KL Rahul जैसा like एकदम ऐसा सादा सीधा guy also was caught up in a controversy. You remember the Coffee with Karan episode that he came in with
Oh,
Hardik Pandya?
he was the other guy.
Yeah.
I just remember Hardik.
Hardik was definitely the one who stole the show. Between the two of them, KL Rahul didn't say much. He was there, but he was pretty quiet. Like Hardik Pandya was like full on boasting mode. मैं करके आया and all this rubbish.
It
Very
was so
cheap.
weird to watch. I think probably watching it with family. What was funny was not live or something. They could have easily edited it. It was so inappropriate.
Coffee with Karan is supposed to be gossipy and controversial. That probably gave them more than what they were looking for. So it was like, oh, let's keep. And it got them in trouble. They were suspended from the team. They were on tour when this got released and they were sent back from Australia. They obviously were taken back and they issued a public apology. And Hardik was like, it was immature of me. Yeah, they were much younger at the time. But still, I haven't heard any other cricketer speak like that. The whole Coffee with Karan controversy was before Hardik got married. So speaking more about Hardik Pandya, 2019 is when he met his now ex-wife Natasha, and she was a model and a dancer. They met through common friends at a nightclub. New Year's Day 2020, he proposed to her in Dubai, I think. Yeah, so it
On a
was.
yacht.
Yes, I think so. I did post a picture right after, I remember, and it went very, very fast. May, I think they got married. It was like a secret, very quiet sort of wedding. She had a baby in 2020, and he lives in a joint family, right? So Krunal Pandya is his brother who also plays cricket, and they have this big house, and they all live together. So he used to post, or she used to post, as the son was growing up, a little boy playing cricket in the house and all that. And then last year, I think, is when things got weird, where she, I think, took out his last name from her name on Instagram, and then everyone was starting to speculate. She stopped coming to the games. Like IPL was going on at the time, so she stopped coming. Finally, they got divorced, I believe, last year or early this year. One thing that I did read somewhere is that in the whole divorce settlements, I don't know how true it is, but what I read or heard is that whenever he bought something or
Oh,
did
yeah.
all of that, he put in his mom's name, like not in his own name, because divorce hua to he doesn't have to split it. I don't know how true this is, but at least that's what the reports were.
I think he's with Mumbai Indians. He's the captain, right? He's trying to transform his image into a responsible
Yes.
person.
Up until 2023, Rohit Sharma was the captain of Mumbai Indians, right? Last year, they brought in Hardik Pandya and he became the captain. And apparently, it was not like something they had discussed with him beforehand. So it was a little bit of a surprise for Rohit Sharma that Hardik Pandya is coming. Who knows what is AI these days? But in one of the interviews, in the background, you can hear Rohit Sharma say कि मैंने पूरा ये मंदिर बना के दिया उनको, and
What?
basically,
Okay.
so like they've just like handed it off to someone without even consulting with the captain, right? So last year, Hardik Pandya got trolled a lot, affected his mental health because it was really bad. And then when India won the World Cup, is when he literally was crying, and then Rohit Sharma went and hugged him. And that time, Rohit Sharma was the captain, right? Indian cricket team.
Okay.
And then, yeah, you really don't follow cricket, do you?
It's hard to keep track. Suddenly, Hardik Pandya Gujarat ka captain with there. How to? Me, it's very hard to imagine Rohit having a problem because he's so like us. Chadna,
Chadna.
इलवन नहीं है कैप्टन ठीक है
रोहित शर्मा इनफैक्ट विल बी लाइक नहीं है कैप्टन अच्छा ही हो गया चाहिए ही नहीं मेरे को टेंशन ही नहीं चाहिए
he's a Borivali guy.
yes so his parents live in one of my very good friends building.
I mean, we have nothing to talk about Rohit because there's no controversy or relationship history. But yeah, we love
Sorry
Rohit
Rohit.
Sharma.
Yeah, we love Rohit.
Yeah, so Hardik is flamboyant, party guy of list.
Right.
age. At हमारे time पे it was Yuvraj.
That was part one of our video on cricketers, IPL, Bollywood, all kinds of gossip. There is also a part two to this video. Don't forget to watch part two. If you like this video, then like and subscribe over coffee or wine. Thank you.